Good morning class. Today we will discuss topic telemarks of chapter data handling. In this case, here the teacher has given 5-star rating to the students. The data is given, that is unorganized collection is given. And the single digits represent the observation, like 1 is an observation, 3 is an observation, 5 is an observation. Single digits, single star represent the observation, and the combined form of observation is data. So how can we organize this data? We can organize this data in the form of telemarks. Let us see. So before this, we will check what is the frequency. Frequency is the number of time an observation written. These are the observations. Let us see. What is the frequency of 1? It means how many times 1 has written. If we see here, if we mark it, tick over here, 1, here this case, 1 is written here, 1 is written here. If we count number of times 1 has written, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 1 is written 6 times. So what would be the frequency of star 1? That is 6. As we know that frequency is the number of times an observation is written. Here the 1 is written 6 times. So let us see. So what is telemarks? What are telemarks? Telemarks are used to represent the frequency. How can we write the telemarks? Telemarks of 10. So here we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can't write 5 in the form of line. And in order to represent a fine number, we will cut the 4 lines diagonally, and that line that we have cut is used to represent number 5. And after this, we will proceed to the next number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we can't write the multiple 5, 10, 15 in the direct line. We will show it by cutting the 4 lines diagonally. Similarly, how can we write if the frequency of some number is given 12? How can we write this 12? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can't write 5 number in the form of line, so we will show the number 5 by cutting the 4 lines diagonally. So let us see 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 is a multiple of 5. How can we show the number 10? By cutting the 4 lines diagonally. And then 11, 12. So here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember, you can't cut like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is wrong. This is wrong. So how do we represent number if the frequency is 15? How can we write telemarks of it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in this case, so let us see the question over here. So we have calculated the frequency of star 1 is 6. How can we write that if we see the chart, which is the organized form of 5-star rating, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will write the frequency of these star, and then we will calculate the telemarks of these star. As we have seen, the frequency of star 1 is 6. How can we write it with the help of telemarks? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then we will proceed the next number, that is 6 over here. So next 2. How many times 2 has written? If we check, in this case, in here 2 is written, here 2 is written, here 2 is written, and in that case 2 is written. It means 2 is written 5 times. So if we write, here we have written frequency of 2. How can we write telemarks of it? 1, 2, 3, 4, and how can we write the number 5? We will write the number 5 by cutting the 4 lines diagonally. So we cut it like this. So how many 3 stars are given? Are written in this data. 3 observations are 1, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means number of times the 3 star 3 is written, that is 5. It means the frequency of star 3 is 5. And how can we write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Let us see the frequency of star 4. If we check, frequency of star 4 is 1, 2. So frequency of star 4 is 2. How can we write it with the help of telemarks? 1, 2. And here 4. What is the frequency? Sorry, 5. Here, what is the frequency of star 5? 1, 2, 2. So frequency of 5 is star 5 is 2. So we can write as 1, 2. Thank you.